In this video, we are going to be looking at Mullen, ticker MULN. If you want your own stock analyzed, throw it in the comments. We'll get around to it when we can. Now, as we can see, we're sitting at about 75 cents on Mullen. We're down another 7.5% today. And that's really all we're seeing on this stock. Every day, we're going to be down about another 5-10%. Really, since that dollar, we've just had no chill. It's just been completely to the downside. Now, what are key focuses? So even if you've watched this channel before, you know, firstly, we don't like trading these long buys because there's a reason they're downtrending. If they're down 99% from their highs, they can reverse stock split, do that again and again and again. So definitely not something I'm looking at short bias at all. Again, my main trading opportunity on it doesn't come to about $5. Again, that's not much help for now because it's very far off. But to me, I'd rather be patient on this stock than trying to force a trade now. So that's my outlook on the stock. Again, we've gone through that before, so we won't really focus too much on these levels today. But again, that's where the high probability trading opportunities come. Short bias or coming into this level. So, you know, about a 5 to 5x move, a bit more that we need to get to that level in the meantime. So I'm personally not looking to trade it, but if you are currently potentially bag holding or looking for a buy entry, what are other levels we can be paying attention to? So we can be paying attention to a 5 and 10 day chart. And again, considering we're normally looking at a 6 month and a 1 year, these levels change a lot quicker and they're just going to be a lot weaker because algorithms, bigger money is not paying attention to these small kind of price differences. The smallest they really look is on a 6 month time frame. So what that really means is these levels aren't going to be all that strong, but again, these are going to be for, you know, paying attention to the stock potentially just for this week. So what are going to be then key levels I'd be paying attention to? So supports, we have 57 and 62 cents as key supports to the downside. Again, this is our first deviation on the 10 day and first deviation on the 5 day chart. So that range will be quite key if we can continue down to there. And again, considering we're losing about 10% a day, you know, a move to there probably wouldn't even take that long. But again, it's how long does this knife fall before we finally get that potential bounce? And I guess that's probably, even if you're not holding it now, I imagine that's what the majority of you are looking for. Again, that's not how I trade, so definitely not something I'd be looking at. But if you are, again, I'd be paying more attention to the 62 to 57. I think trading before that is just probably going to lead to a big loss until we get down to that level. So those would be the key supports. What would be the key resistances? So we have 87 cents, we have $1. Again, these are the first deviation range between the 5 day and the 10 day chart. Again, still a relatively big move from where we are now, considering we're at about 73 cents. But really, overall, these would be the key two ranges I'm paying attention to on the video. If you're looking at it long bias, I'd be waiting for a move to 62 to 57 cents. If we're looking at targets, if you're already potentially buying down at these lows, or if you're trying to cut your losses, your bag holding, then again, I probably wouldn't be setting at the 52-week lows or the all-time lows. I would probably just wait for a bit of a bounce. And again, that's when we're then paying attention to about that 87 cents to around $1. Again, I think that $1 will obviously be a key resistance. So definitely locking in profits before that would make sense. But that is a quick breakdown on Mullen. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.